Hey guys, I wanted to check in with you and show you what to look for when you're checking to see if your work is done, not done, or maybe you think it's done but you forgot to upload the attachment. So I am I went to my classwork page and then to my work done page, which is just to the left of the calendar at the top. And this is what you'll see. What you want to see on your assignments is this check mark, and if there's supposed to be an attachment, you'd see the little paperclip. If you see assigned, you haven't done it yet, and I haven't turned it back into you because you haven't done it yet. That's good. If you see the check mark but no paperclip, that still means you're done because, for example, the Go Math didn't have anything you needed to turn in. So this one's good. This one's good. Now, this one here, I just did grades, and I usually tell your parents that on Dojo, and if you find out I just did grades but you still see a turned in and no check mark, even though there is a paperclip, you need to go check and see what you uploaded. It could be the wrong item. I'm also seeing some people uploading blank documents from Google Docs, maybe accidentally deleted. I don't know what happened, but you're going to want to check it out. So if you see turned in and I just checked work, you're going to want to go check out that assignment. Here you see the check mark and your attachment. That means that's really good. Again, if I just did grades, which I just did, and seeing this turned in, but you didn't get a check mark, that means you probably needed an attachment, and so you need to go back and check that out. If you see just the check mark, you're all good. I know, for example, on this one did not need an attachment. On Monday, the main selection was just to read it. So that one was all checked in. If you come down here and you see missing, this red missing, even though you might have a paperclip over there, you need to go and check and see what it is you turned in. I think for this particular student, it was like one of those blank documents from Google Docs. So it looked like he attached and was done, but it wasn't the right thing. Same here with this one. It looked like, but it wasn't the right thing. And if I just did grades and you see turned in, then if it's not a check mark, something's going on there and you want to go check it out. Okay? Last week we were doing these 100%, and if you see this black 100 and 100, you're good. But if you see the red missing, you need to go check out and see what's going on. If you see the black check mark or the black 100s, good, good. Red missing, or if it says turned in with no check mark, you need to go check it out. All right, so check that periodically. If I was you, I'd even check it each day. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.